Okay, so I'm going to attempt to go into the haunted house, so called. Okay. We're stopping here at 23232. Boards down. The haunted house. There's the sign that actually says beware, you just can't read it. There's Forbes. Say hi, Forbes. He's not in a very happy mood. And now we begin our descent. The backyard of mysterious destiny. I love that room. The backyard. There's the hill. There's a big old divot in the cement. The warehouse. Whatever that is. Inside. Rest of the backyard. Alright, let's go back. I'm still alive.